Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to complete and submit an assignment that is on a external tool called Kami. I'm going to be walking you through that right now. I am currently in the modules page of a sample course, and I'm going to jump to this fact versus opinion practice, which is our homework. Now your assignment is to use the markup tool to highlight directly in the document. You need to highlight at least 3 facts in green and then highlight at least 2 opinions in pink. Then click submit when finished. So what I'm going to do, this tool needs to be loaded in a new browser window, so you're going to click this button right here to open it in a new window. And Kami should open up for you. If it does not, you might need to approve your Google account, and that's okay. All you have to do is accept the terms, link your Google account, just like when we were uploading our Google assignments. So what comes up is this article from Newzella, it's called, I think, or Newzella, whatever you want to call it. Now, there are some really good tools in Kami that you are free to use. There is the select, so you can pick how you select things. There's a dictionary tool. So say I don't know what this word is, I can click dictionary, highlight it, and it will pop up what a phone is. You can do that with any word, so maybe you're having a hard time, you don't know what a word means, you can definitely look it up in the dictionary. There's a text-to-speech option. Once you click read page, it will just start reading for you.
This article is available at 5 reading levels at https://
So you can see it will read for you. The markup tool is what we will be using. So there are some different options. You can do a text highlighter or a box highlighter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick my color. It's on the text highlighter. I just prefer this one because I can just hover my cursor over the words and highlight it with the cursor, and then it will highlight it on the page. So that is one way I use the highlighter tool, the markup tool, the text highlighter. The box highlighter you can use, but I think the text highlighter is better. Whatever you prefer. Now what you're going to do, you pick your color. Pink and green are already loaded for me because I was using these earlier, but you can pick any color. But for our purposes, stick to pink and green. Green for facts, pink for opinion. Now, say I made a mistake. Number is not a fact or an opinion. If I hover over it, I can change the color. So if you mess up, and you need, oh dang it, that was supposed to be green, you can change that. You can delete this. That's completely gone. Say I mark up and I highlight once again. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I can click undo. Or say I highlight. Oops, didn't mean to do that. I can come down to this eraser tool, click all annotations. This little plus sign will pop up with an eraser, and then I can click that and then erase. So yeah, for the markup tool, it's a great tool to use. Remember, green for facts, you need at least 3, and then pink for opinion. And then, when you are all done marking up your text, however you do it, when you're all done, submitting is super easy. All you have to do is go up in the upper right-hand corner, click submit, and then you will click the submit button. So it will submit for you. All changes are saved, so it automatically syncs, and all of your saves and markups of the text will be saved on Kami and in Canvas. And then you know you have officially submitted the assignment once you see this unsubmit button. If you need to go back and edit, you can do that, and I can go back and continue to edit. But for now, I'm all done. So I'm submitting. It will save. You can click done, and then you are all set.